come lo lesson number 6. Trenem Tingting Module 3, lesson 6. Fasten lo write him or question. So stamp up lo lesson. Lo give hand lo man lo sabe good talk lo God. You mean sabe ask him some question. Lo all get the answer him. Lo lesson ya by you mean learn him fasten lo write him or question. Where he give hand lo all man lo cast him good last thinking lo one story. So here important to mas last sentence here. We want to write him all question. Where he give an lo all man block him good last thinking blow one story. From one him. From where time you may make him Bible study or you may teach him man or you may make him Sunday school or any other for something where you may use some Bible. Yes, you may sabe person blow ask him all man one question. The purpose blow something here and me blow man I kasem good straight lasting thing blow story. You know blow talk around lo him or talk all about or listen lo ting blow man. But you may want to only focus it go deep lo passage here where you may stop lo him. More blow kasem good straight lasting thing blow him. So you so we talk about with him Mulgeta from one of you make him one of you may sing out him Bible study. He got Easter study, Christmas study blow mama or for something. I think plenty churches only make him more same. So from when him me stop make him kind study yeah. Karam ting blow geta. But me just blow special time or when him bells him me tell him finish. Go blow you me time you me teach him talk blow God. Through law one study or Sunday school lesson or teaching law one school or workplace. Hemi blow all man is a kasem good meaning blow 1/2 blow talk blow God. We got him out 1/2 blow talk blow God. Or you may teach him, you may one him where you may go from, you may make him blow only save good straight lasting thing meaning blow him. So suppose the Olino Kasem, straight meaning blow passage, I think study where you may stop making me waste them time no more. You know, give hand all man. More by only go out with him, same thing, only come inside with him where might him know straight or you know give hand all get a nothing. All kind talk is stop blow book blow you. Book blow everyone. Ale. Now you may go through law or step law, fasten blow write him good for a question. So me long one little bit, more is strong little bit, but same time and me give him practice blow all participant blow walk him out one straight lasting thing back again. So even suppose only no cast him good how now blow write him question, hope say and me one practice back again. Blow walk him out one straight lasting thing blow one passage. Blow show him out fasten you may make him with him one game on story first time after but you may walk with him talk blow God. So you look down lo we tell him fasten blow write him good for a question. He tell him or question you know must all about. You mean must ask him all question where he give an lol man blow only save kasem good meaning blow passage only stop read him. You mean want to lead him or get a lo one road where only save kasem straight lasting the blow passage. So me a big fella thing where you may fast lo him then you may think about how now blow running one study. From something else or question he must give an lol man blow kasem good full map line lasting thing space here we stop from something here you must walk them out lasting thing people talk fast time before you write them all question. So hemi important to us you know think about the whole question all about hurry up no you walk them out you walk them out lasting thing blow passage walk them out hemi fast time after you ready block all question. People walk out lasting thing by making one him cut them out all information make him a fast time after you walk them out last thing. Now, time you all information is up, you got them out, you write them all information. You sabi choose some all important information law passage. Or ask him one question where answer block question ya, any information where he stop no more law story. Now read him story we talk about John where me want to cut him one crab. Read him 2 times. After the next page, got all information. Me play list him lo book. Be good lo tell him out. You got 8 every one. When you look all mark lo side lo one information. And me mark him one night. Next information, Johnny go look out and crab. Next one, Lon Nicara. Next one, Hemi look one big flat crab. Next one, more Hemi run from. Next one, bedtime Hemi run. Next one, leg blow Hemi fast lo one stone. Next one, or Hemi fall down. Sorry, Hemi just one join him talk. Next one, Hemi mess them crab ya now. With them all information, but you mean tell him one him now lasting thing blow story. From where I mean night more Johnny go look out and crab lo Nicara. From where I mean look one big flat crab. From where I mean run from. From where time I mean run he leg blow him fast lo one stone. From where I mean fall down. From where I mean mess them crab ya now. By you mean tell him one him. So I get one lasting thing is stop. John and me want them one crab, be hemi mess them crab, yeah. You have it change a little bit, John and me fall down, he mess them crab, or one him where only want to tell him. You know, take him long time too much, or talk about too much lasting thing. Something where you same way stop. And then now you look book, he tell him he got 8 information. They choose 4 no more out law 8 law all information where important to mass important also one and important to mass blow you me kasim lasting thing ya. So after you underline in fofla. So it could blow look where night years might important a little bit big for something and me John and me go look out and crab, huh? You know matter say me law one in place so Emi part plus story, emi important, but emi no most important, emi no number one information where I give an lo yumi blow think about lasting thing. Ale number 2, emi look one big flat crab. So yumi must say emi look one big flat crab. Ale emi run from yes, emi important to part plus story, but blow think about lasting thing where Emi go from one crab Emi mess them. You must tell him say information very important to us. Emi leg blow Emi fast lo one stone or Emi fall down. I'll block strong him lasting thing or give him meaning lo story. You may look one information that say Emi mess them crab yeah. So we got 4 where you look number 1, 2, 3, 4 is stop lo story. But you may tell them say hemia fofla is most important information where time you may save fofla, you may save tell him lasting thing ya now John and me want them one crab or me go from one crab be me mess them crab ya. Ale now you may get fofla information. So blow ask him more question lo story, blow give han lo all man way listen, blow kasim good lasting thing. But you me tell him all question lo, all about or lo you tell him say no Emi look out and crab lo one in place. Say Emi alright blow ask him, but suppose you just want to ask him few question no more. You focus lo important information after you take him 1 where you may underline and finish 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Tanem 1 information it come also 1 question where answer block question any information ya now Same number one, number one information where you may put on one lahem, and me John I look out them crab.
Hello.
Okay, so you may want them all get the italem tok now. Time only answering question. So here you must think about now by me asking one in question where answer blahem and me John I look out them crab. So one question and me John I make him one him. Ale you miss how say answer now John and me look out them crab. Ale number two and me look one big flat crab. Question ya now you miss how tell him Johnny look one crab or no? So answer block question ya now. Hemi look one big flat crab. So you may want to pull ting blow or get the equal information ya. Hemi look one big flat crab. Make it say you may ask him one question. Where answer block question. Hemi tok ya now. Ale number three. Hemi fall down. John hemi fall down. You walk out say hemi important. Blow tell him say hemi fall down. Okay. Now, you may ask him one question or same one him where answer blow him and me fall down. So you meet one is double book, one it may happen time John and me run from crab. Or same you may want to only think about say me no kasim no be me fall down. Make it say me miss them be. Okay, and then number four, me miss them crab. Number four, information where you may time say you may want to focus on him. You may want to mani look save good tok ya. Now question him, John emi custom one crab or no? So time only tell him answer. No. Emi mess them crab. So fourth tok ya now, Johnny look out them crab. Emi look one big flat crab. Emi fall down. Emi mess them crab ya. Fourth go together blow. Tell him lasting thing, say, John, Emmy want them one crab, be Hemi mess them crab ya. Okay, hope say Emmy give a little bit. Emmy had be try and go slow lo hem. Mean something, Emmy bro you may follow him same fashion where you may make him all time, cut him out one information, walk him out lasting thing. After go back more, think about one him now, all information when we must have it, block us him lasting thing ya. Nise all another one good, no, everyone he part blow story, he give anlo you me blow, got one picture, one thing, the lasting thing ya where you me say, I mean look at them, grab mess them. Now you me choose them for information where you may use them, blow write them or question. Say in mass 4 question, but you may choose them blow, plenty 2 mass or, just 1 or 2. Suppose you go how to upload next part blow lesson. I think by give on a little bit from Emma or question where in no survey give on. Or you may survey asking full up different question, but some by no give on. You look, suppose you may ask him, John, and we got Amas Picanini. Now, you want to all get the thing about say from one maybe one no good question. Know one question where he give on law you may cast him last thing, yeah? No, outside, huh? No part blow story, more answer blow question, stop inside law story. So let go kind question, yeah. Another one, John, look at them crab where place. Yes, answer stop law story. So good little bit. The block custom lasting thing where important thing we come out lo story where John look at them grab they miss them really important blow you me save where place look at them crab. Now John fall down also in one good he good little bit too but enough blow you me save say fall down so no good you me think about fashion blow fall down more important say you mean think about say fall down yeah now But Emi alright a little bit, so Emi you may not tell him no good way, no good lo question ya. So all question ya, you make him think man, it go all about. All question ya, only no point him, all get the lo last thing. So you may want to choose them all question where you really point them man, it go lo last thing. Now I got one last exercise to make him. One where only make him finish, and we got information more question to put it together. Stop it, just join him. Next one, he got information no more. They must turn him information. It come all same one question where answer question and me information where he stop. So manya and me like him too much beginning blow him. Okay, so turn him come one question. And I got answer lo book blue you manya and me had him all same one him lo beginning blow him. I think he got some another one too where he straight, but you look next one, Johnny go blow Salem cover. Johnny go blow make him one him. Now suppose one he write him Johnny go where, answer blow question ya John and me go where, and me know John he go blow Salem cover. So question ya and me know straight. So must test him question, blow find him out say answer. And me one him where me start with him or he one different answer. Pee-wee want them too much look brother blow him. Pee-wee want to make him one him. You sabi tell him Pee-wee want to go look who or something or same where answer now and me stop finish. Lo in blow page he just got one something blow play no more. Or number 6 he hide inside or something, yeah. So let's have a walk lo him too.